Welcome! If you're tired of Snapchat notifications revealing too much on your lock screen, you're not alone. Whether it's a snap, a message, or a notification you'd rather keep private, there's a simple way to hide that content while still staying notified. Let's walk through exactly how to do it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all the important controls for your apps and notifications are located. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows every app installed on your device. Now, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open the app-specific settings where you can customize how Snapchat behaves on your phone. Next, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see all the notification options available for Snapchat. After that, select Notification Categories. This part lets you control different types of alerts separately, which is super helpful if you want more precise control. Now, tap on Audible Notifications. These are the notifications that make a sound and often display detailed content on your lock screen. Once you're inside, tap on Lock Screen. You'll see options for how notifications appear when your phone is locked. Finally, choose Hide Content. This ensures that while you'll still get notified, the actual message or snap details won't be visible until you unlock your phone.